Okay, today with Michael and Gana are gonna have a hot dog eating contest.
I'm not fucking sniffing.
Explain what this.
One hot dog. Then they have to sniff.
Here, Tyler, you do it then if you want to fucking see this video so bad.
Let's go. 3, 2,
No.
1.
He already bit.
Go.
Go.
Oh fuck! Gana's winning.
Go.
What the fuck? You ate half the hot dog. Guys, don't swear.
So flat, I can't even look good while you're singing. The worst thing I've ever heard.
No, you have to swallow it first. Good on, just sniff it now while you're still eating.
Uh-oh.
And you even have the good music in the background, the pump up music.
Michael's got that much. Oh! Who's gonna eat it first? Show mouth. Yeah! Michael!
And he started before me.
Gana just puked.